Okay guys, welcome back to J Strategies, where we bring you all the latest and greatest crypto news and much more. Don't forget to hop on over to our Twitter page and follow us, J Strategies at Trades for Radio. Guys, let's hop into the overall crypto market right now. You can see the total crypto market is coming in at 1.71 trillion. Let's hop into coin market cap here right now. 1.7 trillion. Market pulled back quite a lot in the last 24 hours. 24-hour volume at 65 billion. Bitcoin dominance at 41.8%. Ethereum at 18.1%. Bitcoin coming in at 38.3K. Pulled back 3.78%. Ethereum coming in at 2.6K, pulled back 3%. BNB coming below 400 yet again, another day, coming in at 381, pulled back 3.76%. XRP coming in at 0.79. We actually have some bullish news and actions for XRP. You guys see that the market's flipping, but XRP is ripping. Cardano, guys. Cardano below $1, coming in at 94 cents. Pulled back 4.34. Solana below 90, coming in right now at 89.21. Pulled back 0.4%. Avalanche coming in at 79, right below that $80 mark. Pulled back 3.64%. Terra, along with the Anchor Protocol, get your UST, earn money, 19% right now interest rates on UST through the Terra Luna Protocol. Luna coming in below 50 at 49. So a lot of these numbers are below their whole number targets. We talked about whole and half number targets, especially within the markets. Okay, guys, but we're going to skip and we're going to jump and we're going to hop over to here into our charts. We talked about the top crypto markets. Also, Dogecoin due to Doge coming in at 13 cents, pulled back 2.6. We do have to talk about DOT pulling back 2%, holding at 17. And then Shiba coming back a whopping almost 8%. 7.4% down in the market for Shiba Inu, losing a lot of its market cap. Okay, let's jump into the charts, guys. Don't forget to hop on over to J Strategies over on Twitter and follow us, like our video. Also on YouTube, we have videos all day, every day. We talk about crypto news. We do closed caption videos for the hearing impaired and also for mobile devices. And we also do the news and crypto news for you. We drop shorts just for short information in the news in the crypto markets. And we also have a playlist on J Strategies for all the videos that we do for passive income, yield farming, and more. You can watch these videos and learn how to make money all day, every day, guys. Don't forget to smash the like and follow us. Let's hop back into the charts. Total market cap is $1.71 trillion. Dollar index is below 100, holding at 96. It did go up a little bit, which is actually bearish for the market. U.S. 10-year bonds below 2%. It did pull up to the 2.05%, which actually gave the American dollar some hope, but it actually pulled back to these resistance levels at 1.90, so I can see it actually hitting that. Bitcoin dominance at 42%. We talked about this. Bitcoin was ripping in the market, and more people are buying into Bitcoin. Now we're going to talk about USDT dominance. When you see this dominance going up for the USDT, that means that people are selling out their Bitcoin and their altcoins for US Tether. So the higher the dominance goes up, the more people are selling their coins. Hold on, sip of coffee. Okay. SPY, S&P, we talked about this too. S&P did see a lot of downward action. We are looking for S&P to come all the way back to the 420 range because of the sentiment that's in the market and the fear that's happening right now. Gold is a safe haven. Gold is shooting for all-time highs. You can see that gold is so far away from any support or resistance levels. The next resistance levels for gold, big resistance levels, would be at $1,910 for gold, and it's heading there, so be ready. Bitcoin price, guys, that's where we hop into our Bitcoin price. We are holding on the daily. You can see that we created this trend line yesterday, and we showed you guys because we hopped into the lower time frame, and we're actually going to show you guys what was happening there. So you see this line? We said if we break this line, the 39.6K, that we were coming right back down to this diagonal line that we kept testing. So if you see here, guys, we tested the line here at 40K. We came back down, tested it at 39.6, and then we tested tested it again, and we fell below. And then, like we said, there was no moves in between here until we come back down here past that diagonal line, and now we're testing this line. So what you need to watch for is, are we going to break back down and keep bouncing down this trend, or can we come back above, come back down, retest, and shoot back for the 39K level? Those would be targets for the Bitcoin price. So right now at 38.5, I did catch a buy-in at 38 even. Well, actually it's a little bit above. It was 38.20. Or no, it was 38.25 or 28, somewhere in between there. And now we are testing this area. I want to see it. Does it go above and break out? Let's take the 4-hour chart with these. You can see this, guys. You see this line here? See how we came? We tested that line at the 40, tested again to 39, tested again, broke through, couldn't find a level. Now we're hitting this diagonal line of resistance because it looks like it's creating resistance for us right now. We do want to flip that into a support level and continue to the upside. Then we're going to see some more resistance when we get back to the 39K. Then we need to break above that, retest it, and then continue to the upside. That would be a bullish move for Bitcoin. Daily chart, same idea. You can see how we wicked out. Look at this M pattern. That's what I was looking at. So now we have this fail, okay? I want to see the next daily candle. It's probably, you know, if this candle closes below this range here, then the next one will come down and test this level, and we can come all the way back to the 32.9K level. So for bearish Bitcoin, your target would be 30. I will tell you right now. So this support line right here at 32, well, we could actually, we'll call it 33 even, just to give you a good trade. Straight down bearish to 33K. From here now, 3.38 thousand Bitcoin right now, down to 32. Let's see how the market rocks. Let's hop into Ethereum, guys. I want to show you the overall Ethereum price. Ethereum is looking kind of bearish right now. Did pull back 2.94%. Ethereum price is at 2.647. Okay. So you can see right now on this chart, it's 2.655. You can see, I'm going to draw here for you. So you can see these box right here in this zone right here that it's creating, that's supporting it right now. If we break below this line right here, okay, and we end up seeing some action below this line, what I want to say is Ethereum needs to not break below this line. If it breaks below this line, we can see some bearish action, okay, down to the range of $2,100 for Ethereum on a bearish price. But if we do see this level here at 25.85 supporting it, and it bounces and retests, then we can actually be bullish. But right now, the way the market's looking and the sentiment, it's actually not looking like that. Let's hop into a lower time frame for 4 hour. You can see Ethereum's level here. That's why I put this level, very, very strong level of support. Hopefully we don't flip that into resistance. You can see how we did come up here and we failed the EMA ribbons, and we kept testing. I do want to show you a indicator here. We are in these zones. You can see these zones here on the 4 hour. The M0 zone at 25.89 and the M1 zone. We broke below the M1 zone. We're actually going to show you this indicator on Bitcoin real quick. The M0 zone was right here at 39.086. So once we broke below that, guys, it's really hard to find a level, because right now it's like Bitcoin's just skating right back down to these levels from here. So we can actually, let's actually put a draw a horizontal line, so you can see that Bitcoin doesn't really have anything bothering it until we bounce off this line here. And then we come to this squeeze line. So at 36,000, that's what I'm expecting for bearish for Bitcoin. But if we do hold and we come back to the M0 and we hold right below this and treat that 39.6 as resistance, and then we break above it, then that would be bullish. So as we were talking, the Ethereum price. So we were looking at Ethereum. Guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Follow us on Twitter. Go to our YouTube. We have all different videos, passive income all day, every day, trading in the crypto markets. Crypto markets overall, man, 1.7.39 trillion, 65 billion. Okay, Ethereum gas is at 48 GUI. All right. So now next we're going to hop into the Binance, okay? BNB. You can see BNB 3.73% pullback coming in at 382. Let's talk some levels. We're going to use Trader's Reality Indicator here and show you that the M0 level, which we're sitting at now at 383, is an important level. I want to see a pull above this on the next 4 hour, retest it, and then continue to the upside for bullish price action for BNB to 389. That would be bullish. Bearish, we would come all the way back down to, and let me draw this for you, this line of right here at the 358. So there's nothing really stopping us from going back down and testing this level. I do want to see not a break below this, because then that would flip it into resistance. We want to see the support happen on this level, so it could come right back down to this level, so that would be a bearish level. So as far as like two targets as bullish and bearish, the reason I give you guys this is because you can see what's happening in the markets. There's a lot of uncertainty happening right now, especially with the tensions in the, you know, the escalations that are happening between you know, US and Russia. So that's what's going on for the BNB price. Overall, on the BNB price for daily, you can see that we're below the EMA ribbons, and we're heading for that 358. You see what I'm saying, guys? You see there's no real like crazy resistance or support levels until we hit this support level of 358. So I want to see some action, testing and racking. All right, XRP gang in the house. Smash that like button, guys. XRP, excellent. Pulled above the moving average, okay? 200 to the 800, so that's the 800 EMA. We were below it, we pulled above it to the 200, we're above the 50, we're trading in between the 200 and the 50 EMA. Okay, I really like XRP. We are XRP warriors. We want to see XRP hold the 86 cents range, but because the market has some bearish sentiment, I'm expecting XRP to come back and retest the 67 before it continues to the upside. Too bad for the market pulling us down, because XRP is probably one of the bullish coins in the market right now. Cardano below $1, holding below the 50 EMA, holding below the ribbons flipped. Cardano levels for bearish would be 94 cents, which is actually a target right now. If we break below the 94 cents, the next real good levels of support are actually not until we get all the way down. You know, it's not really looking too good actually for Cardano in this sense, because we're breaking below this point. If we break below this 93 and this whole support level right here, you got to really find that next level of support. So let's hope for some really bullish sentiment in the market so we don't see that happen to ADA. Matic, that's in my own opinion. Do your own research and everything like that we are saying here. Matic, you can see this next real level of strong support on the daily, because now we're going to talk about longer term time frames here. Well, you can see right at the dollar mark, okay, and that's pretty far away. And then we have another real big support right here at the $1.31, $1.31 for Matic. So bearish would be a test of the $1.31, and that's if the market continues to act bearish. Now, if we flip bullish in the market, we're heading back for those EMA ribbons, and the top of our ribbons are at $1.85. So that would be a bullish target for me if I was going bullish, but right now I'm going bearish with a target of $1.31. Avalanche, okay, Avalanche, let's go ahead and drop in a level here for you guys so you guys can see what's happening. Okay, so Avalanche, you can see that it's going to come back and test this moving average right here, which is the 200. And we need to actually hold that level. The 200 is at 73 on Avalanche. Right now it's 79, so my target would be 73 pulling back on the daily. Solana at 89. Solana below the ribbons, below the 50 EMA and below the 200. Holding right here. It looks like a W pattern, so that actually kind of looks bullish if you ask me, even though the market is bearish. Next major level of support right here, I'm going to drop and draw on the chart right here. We're going to give you a level of support of 80, so we can actually see a pullback down to here, to this level, to the 80s, and then bounce off of it, retest, continuation to the upside. Phantom coming in below $2 at $1.73, touching this moving average. Next big line of support for Phantom is at the $13, $15 range right here. So, you know, look for this area here as far as market going bearish because of the flips on Bitcoin. Dogecoin, we can't finish off with Doge and Shiba, the two doggies of them all. Doge, big gap on the daily down here, back to the 13. Next level of full-on support for Dogecoin would be at the 12-cent range. So possibly target for a 12-cent range for a retest and a bounce and a bullish to the upside. Shiba lost a lot of its market cap, like we were telling you guys. It pulled below the ribbons on the daily. So right now we're seeing it test the 200 on the daily. Let's see what happens if it pulls below. The next major targets for Shiba would be at the 1551. So 000 1551. And that is for Shiba Inu. Okay, guys, we talked about pretty much all of the top cryptocurrencies and markets. If you guys want to know about anything more, drop in the comments below. I'll add them into our list of our all day, every day. Don't forget to hop on over to Cointelegraph. Bitcoin price dips below 38K as crypto sentiment nears. So we're talking about crypto news. Bitcoin saw its first dive below 38K in over 2 weeks. Okay, we dropped tweets about that. You can actually hop on over and we dropped this. You know, Bitcoin saw its first dive. You know, go ahead and smash that like button. We just dropped some information. We drop our videos from the other day. We always pin them for you guys. And we have news about our targets today. We see on War of Tribes. War of Tribes, this has this falling wedge pattern, and you can see that it's building up volume for a nice breakout progression. Okay, we are also getting ready for setting up yield farming and pools and stuff like that with the War of Tribes. Now, Gone Wild actually had some really high volume, and it had this downward pattern right here, so it looks like it's really set for a breakout. Some really nice buys on the chart would actually swing us into some really nice patterns here. You know, good morning. We have our posts and our hits that we drop every day on Twitter, so just go ahead and hop back. There's 2 streams of passive income for Gone Wild, Usdt Swap and Gold Farm right now. Both we have them set up and we are rocking, and we will continue to bring you only the best. Guys, we drop a lot of information. Miners worldwide. Miners will get a nice landscape in the United States, and miners landscape is really panning out to be really nice. Tax and mining in the United States, excellent, getting tax breaks, really, really cool stuff. We talked about AVAX. A lot of people are talking about this, and you can see the Avalanche land at $100 resistance and the next level support at 75. And then we talked about our Bitcoin targets yesterday. We actually showed you what our targets would be. We actually hit our targets and then some. So don't forget to follow us when we drop our information and news. Guys, also, to link to everything that we just said, okay, I have the videos to link to how to earn and all of our shorts and much, much more. So don't forget to rock out with us all day and every day here at Jay's Strategies. Remember, guys, we're going to take you all the way. Let's go to the moon.